こんばんは。BR 日本語の萌です。今日はね、Today I want to talk about Christmas and Japanese strange Christmas celebration. So, talking about religion, about 1% of population is actual Christian in Japan. 44% is Buddhist, and 50% is Shinto, and another 5% is the other religion. So Christmas is not religious event in Japan. So how we celebrate is quite different from the Western world. For example, 24th of December, Christmas Eve, is usually celebrated with your lover. So a lot of like romantic like restaurants and places to go and visit, like lighting, illumination shows and things like that. Full of couples going to spend romantic evening with their partner. That's 24th of December, Christmas Eve in Japan for you. Children, 24th is the day that Santa Claus comes. So we go to sleep early and wait for the 25th, the Santa Claus to come, and so on. So it's pretty similar to the Western world. But as a child, I've always wondered how the Santa Claus got into my house because we don't have chimney. So I remember leaving the window open and I got in trouble from my parents. So it's a mysterious thing for us, the Christmas. And another interesting thing I'm going to take you through is the strangest habit in Japan on Christmas is KFC. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Kentucky ですね。So this mysterious Japanese custom to eat Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC chicken on Christmas. Why? Nande? So I'll explain why this strange custom started back in 1970s. Say around 1970, there's a lot of people from overseas, America, Europe, Australia, coming to live in Japan. But there were not that many Western restaurants available for Christmas. And turkey and chickens, they wanted to have a turkey for Christmas, but there was a problem. Not only they didn't have restaurants to make, or you can get takeaway to have it at home. Even if you wanted to cook at home, this is Japanese kitchen look like. Why the foreign people living in Japan could not cook turkey at home. Turkey or chicken was available to buy at supermarket, but they couldn't cook because Japanese kitchen don't have oven. So typical Japanese kitchen, I think nowadays there's more microwave oven and oven equipped kitchen. But generally speaking, you have a cooktop. And this thing is to grill fish. So you open it up and you put fish in, and that's grilling for the fish. So it's very small, so you can't fit any big turkey or anything like that. So that's another reason why KFC became popular amongst foreign people living in Japan, to get some sort of Christmas feeling by eating fried chicken. Around 1970, the KFC people noticed there's a lot of foreigners buying chicken on Christmas. That following year, they did the big campaign. So, in Christmas, you have to eat Kentucky Fried Chicken to celebrate Christmas. And it worked. And it stayed. So we actually think of Christmas as KFC chicken. Oh, it's Christmas. We should get KFC chicken. the biggest marketing campaign ever in Japan, and the tradition has been made. That's an interesting story about the KFC in Japan. So today we talked a little bit about Christmas and Japan and the strange culture of having Kentucky Fried Chicken for Christmas. I hope you have a lovely Christmas and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. またね。メリークリスマス。じゃあね。